It's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to do Target healthy keto snacks with lazy keto lunch coming up next. Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to go to Target and get healthy keto snacks and lazy keto lunch and lunches. Let me show you everything that I'm getting, but first, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. We're going to click like, click subscribe if you want to see more videos on keto and intermittent fasting, and also put down below Target keto. So I know to do more Target keto hauls if you guys like these for some quick keto snacks and some lazy keto lunch ideas. I would love, love, love to see you again on the next video. So let's go in. Let me show you everything that I got. I do love these baby bells as an awesome healthy keto snack because you can just grab them. My little boy loves them too. They're super, super easy for on the go if you need a quick keto snack too. I love hard-boiled eggs as an easy keto snack. It's totally a healthy keto snack. Just mind your protein because keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. Guacamole is another awesome healthy keto snack. If you want something quick and easy, get some guacamole, dip it with some low net carb, 1 net carb vegetables. I will link my keto vegetable video down below too. These are great, particularly these holy guacamole. While they're pricey, one packet is awesome because it has 12 grams of fat for one package and 1 net carb or 3 grams of fat, 2 grams of fiber. This is for a great, easy keto snack. I love incorporating because it's a great way to get fats. It's an easy way to get fats in that's simple, that you can travel with, and that your kids like too. So I am stunned they have the macadamia nuts here. Y'all know my love for the macadamia nuts. It's 10 bucks though, way cheaper on Amazon, but still a fun keto snack and a healthy keto snack at that. They also do have dry roast almonds. The macadamia nuts are 2 net carbs for 1/4 a cup. And then the dry roasted almonds are for 1/4 a cup, 3 net carbs. So a great healthy keto snack, an easy keto snack. They also have the Blue Diamond ones on sale. The whole natural ones, these tend to have soybean oil added. Let me see if this one does. Vegetable oil, canola oil, which is inflammatory, so that's a no-go for the Blue Diamonds unless they're just the whole natural ones. Peanuts are legumes, so that would not be a healthy keto snack because it's technically not keto. It would be a low carb snack. I do like that they have little packets if you don't want to have your if you don't want to make your own little packets or your own little baggies. And then they do have down here the natural almonds as well, with walnuts too, which is great. These, where are they? The almonds and walnuts are $3.39 for 7 packs, and then it's 1 net carb for one of these packs. All these packs are little. They're little for 1 net carb, but that is an awesome healthy keto snack too. I do love these pink Himalayan salt almonds. They are so delicious, but they do have vegetable oil in them, so it's again an inflammatory property to be careful of with any of these. They do add vegetable oil, which is inflammatory. I love pistachio nuts as a healthy keto snack. However, they're super high. It's 4 net carbs for 1 bag, and that for me is way too many for a healthy keto snack. It's literally 25% of your day's net carbs, so I pass on those as well. So I spotted this for my cheap keto meals. I'm always looking for a discount. It has a coupon attached to it, making it $1.50. I'm not going to get it because I'm not quite sure why it's on sale. Does anybody know? Put in the comments below. It's a Target coupon on there. Is it just because it's getting moldy? Is that why? So I do love the beef jerkies and the turkey jerkies, but they do have extra sugar added, so be careful of the extra sugar added. For example, we'll check out this. See the ingredients, see brown sugar and sugar added as one of the top ingredients. So I am not inclined to say that this is a healthy keto snack. It's a keto snack, but if it's between this and chips, I definitely would get this over, say, like potato chips. See, Target knew that people were going to be wanting quick, easy keto snacks and healthy keto snacks. Obviously, these are expensive. They have the crackers in them. Just make your own. You can get the uncured kind if you're worried about nitrates. Some people are worried about the sodium. I would suggest just double checking that and getting the other kind. So you may have noticed I changed my outfit. Being a mom is my #1 priority, and my little boy needed me to stop filming. So, outfit change. And y'all know I love my Pellegrino. That may not be technically a healthy keto snack, but it's an awesome thing to help aid in weight loss. So I come to the baking aisle because this is an awesome place to get keto snacks for pecans. Pecans are a great healthy keto snack and a quick keto snack at that. For 1/3 of a cup, it's 1 net carb. It's 4 carbs, 3 grams of fiber equals 1 net carb. For pecans, I definitely would put this on my healthy keto snack list and my quick, easy keto snack list too for lazy keto. This isn't a healthy keto snack, but I love doing my keto fried chicken, and this stuff is great. I will link it below too if you want to get it off Amazon. Did y'all see my dip recipe? I have an awesome keto dip that is amazing, made out of the sour cream. I personally love the Daisy Cup brand, but this is a great keto snack. You can put it with some vegetables, a low net carb vegetable. I like having it with cucumber or with celery, but makes for an awesome healthy keto snack. I will link that video that has the recipe down below. So here's the lunch meat aisle. Some people freak out about these for healthy keto snacks. I personally love having these as quick grabbies. The salami wrapped in the cheese, and then also the uncured hard salami. Obviously you wouldn't eat the crackers, but for $2.89, that's pricey when you could just simply make your own and get your own package of it. But these pickles are one of my top keto snacks. I love these Oh Snap pickles, particularly that one. They do have a spicy one too. Those are great. And let's look at the net carb count on them. 0 net carbs. It's a 0 net carb snack. It's one of my top favorite keto snacks is these Oh Snap pickles, and they're $1.29 at Walmart. They are $1, just FYI in terms of pricing. And then they do have these other snacks. Like, be careful with this on the sugar because it says smoky bourbon. Hello, the bourbon should be a clue that there's extra sugars, which will make a weight loss stall for you. I do love, look, they have uncured turkey pepperoni for folks who are worried about the nitrates. Let's check out how many net carbs it is. It's 0 net carbs, no antibiotics, no antibiotics. It's uncured, no nitrates, 0 net carbs, one of my top keto snacks also. And then they do have the uncured hard salami as well as another great keto snack for 0 net carbs. If you are worried about nitrates, do the best you can afford in terms of deli meat. Those do make for amazing keto snacks. Here's also the other uncured salami, and then Applegate. I love them because their meats are uncured, like no antibiotics added, and makes for a great healthy keto snack if you're on the go. Quick editor's note, I just want to say that obviously getting grass-fed, organic, no hormones, no nitrates, no blah, 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 all the Jaja food is obviously best, but do the best that you can afford. I always talk about that in all of my videos, but I do feel like I need to get that disclaimer in this one. Do the best you can afford. If it's grass-fed, great. If it's organic, great. If it's a hot dog on a stick, great. But like, I just don't want people to feel guilt, shamed, or condemnation because they can't get the super high-end foods. Do the best you can afford. It's better than the standard American diet. It's better than the way we used to eat. So grace completely on that topic, but I just wanted to make sure I said it in the video of do the best that you can afford. If you can afford organic and grass-fed, that's obviously the best. Obviously. You don't need to tell me in the video that, oh, I need to get all organic. I know that. I'm fully on the same page as you, brother and sister. So anyways, back to the video. Some people freak out when I say about hot dogs, but I do love a hot dog every now and then. This are the uncured natural ones. It's $5.19 for 10 ounces of hot dogs. But those are great keto snacks if you want something for like a quick keto meal, a lazy keto meal as well. And obviously cheese is a great healthy keto snack, just in moderation, making sure we're not having more than 2 ounces because it can lead to a keto stall. If you're wanting another awesome healthy keto snack, I love getting some of their cauliflower rice, although it's stinky. This one is 2 net carbs for 1 cup. You could put some butter on there. You can add it and make your own Alfredo sauce, which is super, super simple to do. It makes for a very high fat, moderate protein, low carb snack, or you can make it as a lazy keto meal. I personally love adding that. Just make sure you get ones that don't have blends in them because sometimes they do add potato starch to the cauliflower, so check your ingredients. Shrimp are a great healthy keto snack too, but just mind the stink and don't take it to work. So some people would debate me that tea and coffee are not keto snacks, but in my eyes, if you add fats to them, they certainly are. If you add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or Kerrygold butter or grass-fed butter or some sort of fat to it, it definitely would be an awesome keto snack. Chicken wings are great as a healthy keto snack. You just plop them in your air fryer. I will put my air fryer recommendation down below, but those are a quick, easy snack to get if you want something like chicken wings to watch the football game with. I feel like I need this mug in my life. My husband and I need this mug. That is too funny. Or this one. That's pretty funny as well. Hey guys, if you love this video, make sure you give it a big ol' like. Make sure that you click subscribe to see other videos just like this one that have lazy keto and intermittent fasting. And also, make sure you put down below target keto in the comments. The comments dictate what videos I do and type of videos that I do. If you're interested in signing up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email, it's free. Get it down below. You can get some weekly encouragement. And also I have an Amazon #1 new release on keto. It's called The Mom's Guide to Ketosis. See you guys again next time. Bye.